Hello friend, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Leze Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can get started with Facebook ads on your mobile phone. Whether you are using iPhone or you are using Android phone, Facebook ad has become very easy and simplicity to run Facebook ad right from your phone. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you get started with Facebook ads on your mobile phone. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe and turn on notification bell so each time I post content about Facebook ads, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and get started. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure, if you are using Android phone, all you have to do is to make sure you head over to your Google Play Store. So I'm going to click on my Play Store right here. So if you are using iPhone, you have to go to your iPhone store, and once your Google Play Store is open, you have to come to the top right here and the search bar, just type in Facebook. Okay, just type in Facebook as you can see the result, Facebook Ads Manager right here. So that's the right app that we're going to use for Facebook ads. So you click on that. So once you click on that, it's open up this way. The next thing you need to do is to click on install right here. Click on. So you can see that the app has been successfully installed, the download, and is preparing to install. So once it's installed, then we proceed to access the app. Alright, so after a successful installation of the Meta Ads Manager, so the next thing we need to do is to click on open right here. Alright, so it's take you right here. So it's going to connect with your Facebook name. So right here it's asking me continue as this particular name, which is my name. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on continue as this. Alright, so you might have different type of page that you want to link the particular ad account with. So you can select any of the name you want to attach the account to. So I'm going to attach the account to this particular first name right here. So once you select the name, and the next thing you need to do is to make sure that campaign update, make sure this is checked, and alert, make sure this is checked, and best for beginners, make sure this is checked, and come down below here and make sure you click on done. Boom. So immediately you click on done, it takes you direct to your ad account. Okay, so let me briefly explain some of the things you need to know as far as Facebook ad app is concerned from your Android phone. So if you have been running ad before, you are going to see the campaign you have run in the past is going to be in each of the column like this. Okay, and from the bottom right here, this is the home page. Right here, this is just an insight. And right here, this is where you have the notification from Facebook ads. And right here, this is just if you need a default question and answer that you can read. This is where everything is taking place. The last section right here refers to ad settings, whereby you can make payments, you can set up your ad account and do stuff like that. And at the top right here, this is just your campaign analytics. This is where you track everything about your campaign performance and the like. So let's start from the point right here under the settings right here. So if I click on settings icon, it takes you to another page. Alright, so from this point here, this is where your name is going to be. The name on your ad account is going to be at the top, and the next section here is your Instagram account. So if you click on here, if you click on that, then you can link your Instagram account with this particular account right here. So you can see this is my Instagram account, which I've already linked in the past. But if you have not yet linked your Instagram account with your Facebook ad account, this is the right way to do it. All you have to do is to click on that, and then you sign in with your username and password on Instagram. It will automatically link the page. So that is that. Then the next section here is payment section. Okay, So under the payment section, this is where you need to determine the mode of payment. Payment by card, payment by PayPal. There are different types of payments options that is available on Facebook Ads. You just have to make sure you choose the right one for your business. So right here, I'm using a prepaid funding method. So if you want to add funds to the account, I will just click on add funds. So and I will follow the prompt and enter the necessary information. Another option here is to make payment for your ad with your bank card. So there are a lot of information right here that you need to understand. Okay, so let's go back home and see what other thing we can do as far as this is concerned. And at this point here, see all notification, pause all notification, and general and stuff like that. Then if you need to contact Facebook ad specialist support, you just have to click on Help Center and you follow the prompt and talk to the support. If you want to log out on your account, click on here to log out from your ad account. So we can from here go back home at this point here. And if you want to create a new house, you just have to click on here now. And once you click on the plus button, you will be asked to set up your ad account. So guys, this is what I have for you as far as getting started with Facebook Ads on mobile, step-by-step tutorial. If you find value for this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step tutorial I'm going to upload on this channel about Facebook Ads on mobile. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.